Hi guys, Marty here, and today, if you can look at this place behind me, 1856 is when this house was built. One of the co-founders of the town, his name was Freeman Tisdell. He built a community building downtown, and the town was founded in like 1842. He came to town in 1845 or 6. There was a property swap between these two guys. He took this side, the other guy took that side. So anyway, after he got his hotel built and running, he built this place. And in fact, we're in the backyard right now, but I grew up, when I was a kid, I lived 3 houses down, and this was my neighborhood. I've been hunting this place for a while. This is my very first good signal. I've been pulling foil and pull tabs and junky other stuff. But let's check this out, okay? I'm gonna turn you off and I'll turn you around. Now I cleaned it up a little bit. It was down there. We all know what that is. Well, some of us do. That is a 2-cent piece. That is pretty awesome right there. I'll have to get it cleaned up and get a good picture for you. But that's my first good signal. Hope you can see that. And if I get a picture, I'll put it in about right here. All right, bye. All right, guys. I just got a bucket lister for me. Check that out, huh? It's not silver, but it sure is a thimble. That looks pretty nice. Got some red on it. Oh, it might even have some initials or something. Flower, something flower. Como flower, is that what that says? Well, that is pretty cool. Yeah. I don't think it's silver. It might be. I don't know. But that's a bucket lister for me. First one I ever found. Pretty damn cool right there. I'll try and get her unbent and get a good picture. Get it cleaned up. Alright. I think this yard's been hunted before. I haven't found any silver. And so far they left me a 2-cent piece and a thimble. And I thank you. All right. See you on the next one. Bye. There you go, right there. Just how it fell out of the hole when I plopped it over. What do we have? Looks like a Camaro. Ooh. Kind of beat up. Got all its tires. We'll take it. Bye. Here we go. Got a penny in this one. What do we have? We have... Can we see it? Hey, first wheat penny in the yard. Alright. What have we got for a date? 1958, I believe. 52, 58, something. All right, we'll keep going. See you on the next one. Hey guys, I'm still at this house, and I just flipped this plug over. Can you see that down in there? Check that out. Huh? And it's got red paint on it. How cool is that? How cool is that? I got a crotal bell, or a sleigh bell or something. The paint's coming off in my hand. It's not broken in or anything. I'm sure the clanger's still down in there, but how freaking cool is that one? Huh? All right, we'll get back to you on the next one. Bye. Alright, next plug. I just peeled this back and that popped out of there. Let's take a look at that. What do we got? I don't see anything on it. Is that some kind of a football charm or something, maybe? I don't know. It says China on the back. China! China! So probably not that old. Probably just an aluminum something or another. Alright, we'll put it in the pocket and keep on going. Okay guys, I just did it again. Look at that red paint. Where have we seen that before? Huh? Check that one out. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Crotal bell number 2. Sleigh bell, something. Alright, we'll get her cleaned up and get pictures. On to the next one. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. And check that out. I got a number 7 tag off of something. You guys can see that. If there's anything on the back, I'll have to get it cleaned up and get a better picture, but it's got a hole punched in it. Number 7. There we go. I'll take that today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Hey guys, very next signal. And can we see what that is down there? Check that out. Check that out, huh? Yeah. I think I've got a silver ring. Check that out. That's all right. Ooh, that might even be gold. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Does it say inside there? Till death do we part. Oh, really? Wow. Huh. It's got some other kind of marking in there. What does it say? Till death do we part. Huh. I don't know. It's kind of scummy right there. That's alright. Big old honking ring. Wowzers. That's alright. I will take that today. And we'll see you guys on the next good signal. Bye-bye. Well, my next decent target, it looks like I got an old watch face. Kind of bent up. That's kind of cool. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye. Very next target, and I wondered if I was going to find one of these here, and check that out. We got an old horseshoe. Half a horseshoe. I'll take that. That's pretty cool for this place. 1856 house. Alright. We see you good folks on the next one. Right there. That's my very next signal. And it ran up kind of like a quarter. Thought maybe a $50. What the heck is that thing? Apparently it's brass. I have no idea. No idea. Alright. We'll get it figured out. See you on the next one. Okay, that last target was literally right there. I swung over 6 inches and check her out. We got a pick-em-up truck. We got us a pick-em-up truck. That's alright. I'll take that one. My grandkids will play with that for sure. Alright, we'll see ya. Bye. Alright, next hole. I get some kind of little, I don't know, plastic pencil. I'm sure that wasn't my target, but check this out. We got another one for the grandkids. What are we driving now? Some kind of sport something. Yacht Ming, made in Thailand. There we go. Alright, bye. Alright, here we go. Next good signal. Looks like an old compact. Open it up. There's all the gunk inside. I don't see any gold coins in there. Old compact. Clean her up, see if we got some kind of design on there. See you in a bit. Bye. Alright, can you see it right there? Check that out. It's another one. It is another one. That's 3 out of this yard. That is awesome. And this one was just a couple inches under the ground. Alrighty. Another sleigh bell. Painted red at one time. Haven't found any silver in this yard, but I found what? Gold ring, 3/4 bells, 2-cent piece. I guess that's okay, isn't it? Alright, bye for now. Alright, this time we got a vehicle. And it's Tonka tough, buddy. You betcha. I don't know if I can get the wheels to turn on this thing. Don't think I'm even going to try now. That was way down there. Way down there. Alright. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys. Time for a little wrap up here. I went back to this 1856 house today and finished up. Total of 3 sleigh bells, crotal bells, whatever you want to call them. A copper or aluminum thimble. This says Como flower on it. We got this little aluminum football charm, whatever that is. You didn't see me dig this on film, but I think this is an old upholstery button, and it still had the thread running out the back side. Here's another, some kind of button. I'm not sure what that is. We got a handle off an old spigot or something. You saw me dig the watch. You didn't see this. This is some kind of big metal disc. It's got a hole through there. I thought maybe there might be something on there. Here's this aluminum number 7 tag. That's pretty cool. We got the old compact with no gold coins. We got the cars. This piece, I have no idea what this is. Heavy, brass. You can see it was fitted in. It's dovetailed on the top and the bottom there. So maybe that slid on something over top of something. Maybe you use that to crank it. I don't know. I got $3 in quarters, 80 cents in dimes. I got a nickel. I got 20 pennies there. I did get 3 wheat pennies. 42D, 47S, 58D. I got that 1865 2-cent piece. That turned out pretty nice. It's only the 3rd one of those I've ever dug. What else? Is that about it? And then we got this honkin' 14 karat gold man's wedding band. And if I can do this so you can see, it says till death. Get your fingers out of the way, Marty. Till death do we part on the inside. Okay. And if I can bring it around here. There's the 14K. 14K. Yep. And it weighs in at exactly 10 grams. 10 grams of 14K gold. I'm loving it. So anyway, that's my big wrap up. I want to thank you folks for coming along, watching my shows, commenting like you do. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment. You know, I not only do this for me, but from you guys. Doing it for my grandkids, because maybe someday they'll look back and say, "Hey, when did Grandpa find this? Hey, let's look on YouTube." You know. So anyway, that's it. That's my big episode. Once again, thanks for coming along. You folks have a good evening. Bye-bye now.